Why are gases compressible? Gases are compressible because they are large empty spaces between their particles. When pressure is applied, particles come close together, reducing the volume. Here we can see the volume also more and pressure is less. And here pressure is more, volume is less. Observe this diagram properly, students. Why is LPG stored in cylinders in liquid form? Gases occupy large volumes, but when compressed under higher pressure, they liquefy. Storing LPG in liquid form reduces its volume, making it convenient for storage and transport. See this diagram also, students. Why does the rate of diffusion of gases increase with the rise in temperature? Increasing temperature increases the kinetic energy of gas particles. Higher kinetic energy means faster movement, leading to the quicker spreading of gas molecules. Why do balloons filled with the helium gas rise in air? Helium is lighter than air. The density of helium gas is less than the density of air. Hence, the buoyant force of air makes the balloon rise. Here also we can see the difference in that, student. Why does the smell of perfume spread quickly in a room? Perfume molecules diffuse rapidly into air due to the random motion of gas particles, allowing the smell to reach all parts of the room. And diffusion occurs both liquid and gaseous, but hardly in all solids. It happens more quickly in gases than the liquid. State two characteristics of gases. Gases have neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. Gases can diffuse rapidly into one another due to random motion of the particles. Explain why gases exert pressure on the walls of their container. Gas particles move randomly with a high speed. When they collide with the walls of the container, they exert a pressure on the walls. The continuous bombardment of countless particles results in gas pressure. Here we can see the less number of gas particles. Here pressure is also very less, volume is more, and here more number of gas particles, pressure is more, volume is less. What is the arrangement of particles in a gas? In gases, particles are far apart from each other with negligible force of attraction. They move randomly in all directions with high kinetic energy. This flash flashcard PDF link is given in the description box. Practice it properly, students.